Acuprec Research Lab Private Limited is a service provider that giving a service for the testings for the various industries like pharmaceuticals, chemicals, phytochemicals, medical devices. Acuprec name stands for the accuracy and the precision, first four letter of the accuracy and the precision. We are providing a different testing services first is the analytical services. In that we are doing the chemical testing services, then pharmaceuticals APIs, finished formulations, cosmetics, nutraceuticals, then API characterizations, then its force degradation studies that covers into the analytical testing services. Next service we are providing, that is biotechnological services. In that we are doing the cell line studies, PCR determinations, DNAs, RNAs, estimations, then real-time PCRs. That type of the technology we are doing work in the biotechnological services. Then our next service that belongs to the microbiological testing services. In that we are doing antibiotic microbial assays as well as the sterility testing for the parenteral formulations, then microbial limit test for the non-sterile formulations. We are also developing a new assays for the different molecules, microbial assays we are developing. We are also doing a validation activities in the microbial field like BAT testing also we are doing in the microbiological services. Next services, that is our biocompatibility services we are providing for the medical device manufacturers. In that we are doing a testing as per ISO 10993, that is a requirement for the CE marking and the European MHRA guidelines. We are doing this all the type of the biocompatibility studies that includes cytotoxicity, then genotoxicity, then hemocompatibility, then implantation studies, intracutaneous. So all the types of these testings that we are providing, that is as per the different products. Then our next services, that is we are having a dedicated animal house facility, that is CPCSA approved animal facility. In that we are providing that preclinicals and the toxicological services. In preclinical, any model development, new drug development, when the drug is in the new phase, development phase, at that time we are doing a DMPK studies. Then toxicological studies, that is all type of the toxicological studies, Schedule Y, then EU GMP, then there is again the OECD guidelines, US FDA guidelines that we follow for the toxicological. Then our next service, that is the phytochemical service. In that we are doing the phytonutrients analysis, then standardization of the extracts, optimization of the extracts. Then we are also validate the claim that is made by the herbal medicines, like it is anti-diabetic, it is anti-rheumatoid arthritis. So we are validating these particular claims. Then our next service, that is the food testing services. In that we are doing a nutraceutical value determinations like protein determination, carbohydrate, then vitamins. Then we are also doing a mycotoxins determination, that is aflatoxin, ochratoxins, that is a requirement of the European, as per the European guideline. Our next service belongs to the formulation and development services. In that we are developing a different formulations for the pharmaceuticals like a tablet, capsules, then injectables, semi-solids, then sprays, by applying a QBT approach. And we are also developing a NDDS type of the formulations also in these F&D departments. That includes also novel drug delivery systems like transdermal pages and water soluble films, and there is again the needle based applications of the drugs. So this very novel technologies we are applying over here, and with a detailed project report we are doing these services. Next service, that is our includes dyes and pigment services. In this we are determining the residuals test, then pigments test, then heavy metals in the fabrics, again the fairness of the colors. So these type of the testing services we are providing in the dyes and the pigment services. This is again a novel approach for the pharmaceutical CROs that we are applying. Then we are also in the development of the not only the allopathic formulation we are developing, we are also in the herbal formulation developments by targeting a different targets for the disease. and we are developing a new herbal formulation, that is with the molecule to the human beings. With all the research based approach, we are developing herbal formulations. So then next is the stability testing services. We do have all 4 zone stability studies. We do have a walk-in chambers for accelerated stability studies. So we are doing the stability studies of the accelerated studies as well as the long-term studies. That depends on the zone requirement as per the guidelines. Then we are also in the clinical services. We are managing the clinical sites like for BA/BE studies, and for phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, rarely phase 1 also we are doing this studies. Then we are also in the regulatory dossier requirements. We are preparing a dossier on behalf of the third party, that is for the regulated countries like Canada, then Latin America, US FDA, semi-regulated country also we are providing a dossier. And again the registrations also for the products, we are offering the services in this area also. Then we offering service in the IP management, that is intellectual property. In that we are doing a patent filing, drafting, infringement analysis, search analysis reports, then trademark registrations, copyrights. So that includes in the IP management. So in short, overall CRUS Acuprec is the one-stop solutions for the pharmaceuticals, for the chemical industries, for the phytoconstituents and the phytonutrients industries, and for medical devices.